Hello, and I hope you're doing well today. My name is AJ with AJ Marketing Solutions here in the Houston and surrounding areas, and I just wanted to get this video sent over to you to show you how you guys can adjust some of the things that y'all are doing online currently in order to start getting people to y'all's website and converting those people into actual paying customers. Basically, we want to build you a website to not just be a storefront, but instead be a constant lead generator so that you don't have to depend on someone else to find you new business. Your website is already bringing people in. The reason I do this for local businesses is because I want to share information so that you can improve and get more traffic and business through the door. Some things we'll be looking at specifically are content, backlinks, and citations. Let's look at some of your competitors' websites here. We got levelconcrete.com and houstonconcrete.com. Houston Concrete is Bill Houston Concrete Construction. Levelconcrete.com, they have quite a few things going on. A lot of pictures, different services that they do. They break those down as well. HoustonConcrete.com, a lot of stuff going on here as well. They got a video in here as well, which is also very good. They generally have a good amount of wording that people searching for concrete work to be done in your area are looking for. Google loves content, and what I've seen with my experience is that you should have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page of your website and about 750 words on each of the other pages, which also depends on your competition's websites. We also want a lot of keywords in your content. A keyword is anything someone might type into the Google search bar looking for a particular service or product. The goal is to place keywords throughout your website to tell Google exactly what words you want your website found for. One way we can find keywords we really want to have in our website is through something like this paid tool I use called Ahrefs. Ahrefs, you can use a paid tool like this, but I highly recommend reaching out to me because your time and money is valuable. And remember, I'm here to help you, to get you much more calls per month. When you use me, I'm here to make your business more profitable. Looking at their keywords here for levelconcrete.com, 1,200 keywords in their website, and around those 1,200 words are other words that is informational basically in Google's eyes. Things that they have on here that people are searching for is level concrete, driveway repair Houston. You can see the different words they're using here. Same thing for HoustonConcrete.com. We have 286 keywords compared to their competitors, 1,200 keywords. But that doesn't mean that they're not getting as much or more traffic than the other guy. Now, let's take a look at another thing that Google likes to look at. It's called backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing other websites directing traffic to your website. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most weighted and trusted backlinks wins. However, not all links are created equal. Backlinks that are relevant to your industry, concrete, and to local websites will work best. We're going to go back to your competitor stats on Google using this tool Ahrefs to figure out how many backlinks they have. Again, you can do it yourself if you want, but if you use me, who has an expertise in this area, it'll save you a lot of time, money, and hassle. Backlinks. Levelconcrete.com has 197 backlinks. Websites like housemethod.com, pearlandsportsacademy.org, even KHOU, a Houston-based channel, innovativebuildingmaterials.com, so forth and so on. You get the idea. That was Level Concrete. With Houston Concrete, they got 245 backlinks. Once again, the more weighted backlinks or the more trusted and the more industry relevant backlinks you have, the better it is for your website. Now we're going to go over citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in a map pack when people are searching for a service which is extremely important for local businesses since they can generate huge amounts of revenue. If we go to Google, do a search for Concrete Contractors Houston, you see that Level Concrete, the guy that we were showing earlier, is doing an ad. So he's paying for that to be up there. MapPack is, these people have made it to where they're the first 3 or 4 businesses that are listed by this map when people are looking for a service in their area. And it puts these little pins by where they're at as well, so they can show how local they are. If I go to Level Concrete, they have this small page right here, shows their reviews as well. It also shows some pictures, name, phone number, address, website, so forth and so on, which is great. Going from there, after the map pack, you have some organic traffic searches, meaning Houston Concrete, the one we're looking at over here, they rank up right under the map pack, which is amazing. Then they have a few other places where you can find concrete contractors, like Concrete Network, Yelp, and Angie's List. And then Concrete of Houston is the next organic company that comes up on Google in the Houston area. Citations also include directories like Yelp and Better Business Bureau and hundreds of others that you may have heard of. Yelp. If I type in Concrete Contractor for Houston, Texas, you see a few different concrete companies here. Once you go in, you'll see their name, phone number, and address, Better Business Bureau. Once I type in Concrete Contractors in the city of Houston, you see all these different ones that are showing up here, name, phone number, address. And also social media accounts are great too. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is to rank you above them. Once your content, backlinks, and citations come together and you start to outgrow your competitors, here's what you might be looking at and why it's so worth it to you. Level Concrete. 1,200 keywords once again, 197 backlinks. These people have organic traffic, the estimated number of monthly visits that your target gets from organic search on Google. They have 974 visits to their website per month on average. That's Level Concrete. Houston Concrete, less keywords, a little more backlinks, 1,800 visits per month on their website, just from people being directed there from other websites or from their searches when they go onto Google. 1,800 visits per month on their website. Just a reminder, Ahrefs, this tool that I'm using right here, is just a tool. So these numbers are based on their own algorithms. However, the real numbers from Google are actually almost always much higher. By generating this kind of traffic through their website and Google Business Profile, let's say their conversion rate of people actually calling their business was just 10%. 10% of 1,800 for HoustonConcrete.com is 180. If they close business deals at about 50% of those 180 calls, which is common for local businesses from this type of traffic, Houston Concrete is probably closing somewhere around 80 to 90 jobs per month just from their online presence alone, just from their website, HoustonConcrete.com. Not sure what your sales goals are, but I imagine 80 to 90 jobs per month would generate some pretty decent sales. So this is what I do for a living, and I'm creating this video for you to help you start generating leads online. If you do find yourself wanting more business to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information. Or we can talk about your goals and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. Whether you use me or someone else, at the end of the day, I just want to help out local businesses. It's a huge passion of mine. Also, if you could, please leave some feedback about this video or information provided today. Again, my name is AJ and feel free to reach out as my door is always open. My phone number is 281-851-6265 and my email is ajms4you@gmail.com. Once again, it's ajms4you@gmail.com. Thank you again so much for watching. I really hope this helps and have a great rest of your day.